welcome back to another vlog. So I just put up groceries from the grocery store. I didn't show you guys everything in the clips before, but we needed to hurry up and get that stuff put away because we're going to the Dollar Tree, which is not even $1 anymore. It's $1.50. But you guys, I got this breakfast smoothie out of the grocery store and I really want to try it. I haven't really ate anything yet this morning, so I was like, why not try this out and see what it tastes like. They had so many different flavors, I didn't really know which one I wanted to get, so I just grabbed this one since it's strawberry, and strawberries is like one of my favorite things. Try this out and see how this tastes and if I like it. Let's hope I like it. It looks like it has real strawberries. It says whole grains and creamy yogurt. The lighting is so much better right here, but this actually smells really good, so let's try it. This does kind of taste like a parfait.
Tastes good?
Yeah, it does. It has a total of 47 grams of sugar though. This is actually really good. Okay, I give this a 10 out of 10. It's really good, so I'm gonna have to start buying me a lot more of these so that way I can have smoothies. I was making my own smoothies at home, but blender I had, it was like a cup blender, so it was like a single cup and you blend it that way, and I just got tired of doing it that way, so I actually got rid of that blender. I need to buy like a regular size blender so I can start blending my own, but for now I think I would just buy these. Say hi. Say hi. So I might start buying them. I saw so many different flavors in those. I saw like different ones too, like that said a breakfast one. They have like some protein ones, which I don't really know all the technical stuff with all of that stuff, but I got juice. Yeah, but don't push the button yet. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put him in the car seat and then we're gonna head to the dollar store. They need a new name for the dollar store now because it's $1.50. So
$1.25.
oh, $1.25. My bad, not $1.50. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, head there, and then later I had actually bought my son a new bed, so I have to build that later. I think it's getting shipped today, so we got to do that, and I will show you guys what happened to the old bed that he had. That'll pretty much be my day. So yeah, let's get to the Dollar Tree.
What is it? What's that?
You can't get in, huh? Mama locked it? Yeah. You get it open? You can't get it, can you?
What is it? You know you filming.
He's like, no cameras, please. He said forget it, y'all. I went ahead and I took the mattress off of Laquan's bed, and this is what happened to the poles. It broke here, right here, and this one is like completely all messed up. So, and that's actually from him just like falling on his bed. So I decided to switch his bed, and I got this brand. It's somewhat like mine's. It doesn't tell you, like show you a picture on here, but this is by Mellow. So we're getting rid of this bed here. Also, we had Kyrie, being the little baby that he is, chew this bed right here. So it was like little nicks and stuff in this bed, so I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and get him a whole new bed. So this bed is about to go. It's really sad because I really love this bed, but it's gotta go, sadly. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to do. Okay, so I am finally done, you guys, making his bed. It looks like I have the same exact frame. Now he just doesn't have a headboard and like a bottom headboard, so it's a little bit shorter, which is great. So this is it. I have to put the sheet on his mattress and just fix up the bed. You guys, I was messing with one of these poles and hit his picture and made it sideways, so I need to fix that. He actually painted that for his birthday. I think we're just gonna leave these stickers on the wall. I don't really mind those. These actually kind of went with the theme that he had, but now, you know, it's okay. If he wants to switch those out at a later time, that's fine, but this is it. Just want to come show you guys this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make up the bed and put the mattress back on it. You guys, look at all this stuff behind here. It's just a mess, my bed, so I need to fix that too. So let's get started. You okay now? You sleepy? What?
You want to help me now?
Okay guys, I look a little bit crazy, but his bed is finally done. Blanket on here because his longer blanket needs to be washed, but I'm not gonna wash that right now. So yeah, it looks so good. I mean, neither one of us have a headboard. I gotta put my picture back on the wall, but let me fix his picture up here. Oh gosh. There we go. And my side of the wall looks bare because my picture fell down because I had to clean up under there today. But it looks really good, you guys. I'm gonna flip you guys around so you can see the end result. I can tuck his sheet up under his mattress. That's what I was trying to do, but Kyrie kept getting on the bed, as you guys saw. So I'm just gonna probably retuck that after this. I'm pretty sure he's gonna love it because he loves my bed. He used to always lay on my bed. I'm like, you have your own bed, lay on yours. But so yeah, I love it. It looks really good. That is what it looks like right here, you guys. I absolutely love it. And it's like this metal material, so he can't break it. And I literally have the same exact bed here. So that is what it looks like. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna tuck this in, like I said, you guys, so it'll look a little bit better. But yeah, it's all coming together. I love it.